Yes, people, yes, people. This is Wakaman is here.
Bacchanal Shogunas police station when they brutalize me, the Wakaman. I'm talking about the chemical crew. I not forget I don't see head one do good. Being in the force, I had no shame. The man asked me how to spell that tree.
Spread this video bulletin for me. Spread this video rock bulletin for me. Yeah. Spread this video rock bulletin. Spread it rock bulletin. I is the boss with God. I comment for all you. All in Guyana rain falling. All in Guyana rain falling. Service bad since yesterday. Venezuelan, all you get jam in the boat. I come to be canal here now, man.
Had to go to the station, but you know the gang of corruption. When they done with
She could go back and roam. They call that WPC to drive she. Corruption in the police station. They brutalizing man and even woman. It's bribery and police brutality. Mr. Commissioner, please do something quickly. It's bribery and police brutality. Mr. Commissioner, please do something quickly. Hit the horn. No, I want to tell you something. You see the nasty Venezuelan them? Now the Deutas them talking. Yeah.
right by the station.
Now the Deutas talking. Let me tell you something. Peter pay for Paul and Paul pay for all. Them Venezuelan them too nasty. They're too nasty, Trinidad and Tobago. They're evil people. They're evil people. They're evil people. That's why Rowley went and dancing with the Venezuelan a year ago. Whining with the Venezuelan and dancing so. You're a nasty man, boy. You cut I will jam Venezuela too, boy. I will jam Venezuela. You know why? For killing with Trinidadian. Chopping out the head and doing the mouth so and talking and whistling. But I will jam all the boy.
The next day,
this is not really lunch theory, you know. This is where God going and say.
That is bribery.
Corruption in the office, them too. Corruption in the Prime Minister office. Corruption in the Minister office. Corruption in Trinidad. And they have all on the map as thieves. Mr. Rowley and Kamala in America, they have all as thieves. They have all as thieves, boy. The whole world seeing. The whole world seeing how nasty Trinidad and Tobago. All they've been watched by the American is good. I'm begging them. Come in. Come in. Not support this nasty man on fake watch. Take out that verse. Corruption in the police station. They brutalize. No verse here, never sing a song about you again. I will jam all you. Come kill me. Come, all you got dead one by one. It's good. In Morugan, with the army them run up the road. All of them have to run up the road, boy. All of the police and them have to dead. All of them have to suffer. I'm sorry, but it's the words of God all here. In Canal. In Canal. Nasty Venezuelan. They're killing everybody. And I don't want to hear about the good one. Beat that pay for Paul and Paul pay for all. Get them out of the country, boy. Get them out. Trinidad and Tobago. All let's get together and talk and get them Venezuelan out of the country. I tell you that. This stupid man them, the Venezuelan coming and all they cracking them and they're beating up all you. They're putting licks on all you. It's good. We see taking life. I talk, but they didn't hear me. I'm mad. Trinidad and Tobago. I'm mad. Don't listen to me. Trinidad and Tobago, this is the voice of a madman. I not right. All what I saying, I guessing. God there talking to me. All what I tell you about the flood. All what I tell you about my dream. They're blocking me on the next Facebook. They're blocking me on the next Facebook because I talk up to now me a cuss. Up to now me a say nothing. And I can't go live on the next Facebook. That I have 2-3 accounts waiting for the buy. I bypass the system. When I was jamming the mobile, fiber optic all in America getting wood. Happy birthday to my brother Ryan. Happy birthday to you, bro. Happy birthday to Ryan. May God bless you. That's why the Venezuelan them sink in the boat. If you see, but you know what happened to them? That when they're killing we by innocent people that going away. When the girl uncle see one of the boy get guts up. One of the boy get guts up for drugs. Them Venezuelan them going and come down for all them drug boss that thieving. When you see Trinidad and Tobago take the Venezuelan drugs, where you think Kamala call state of emergency for? What you think Kalma calls state of emergency for? Because the drugs and them that they tell them they see them Trinidad, they come and to lick them up. But is a war going and start by? Is a war going and start with the nasty police and them? I want to see Gary Griffin van run off the road. I want to see the commissioner of police. I telling you that. I jamming you in the cemetery. I jamming you with the Obia. And I telling the world what I'm doing. Because I want to show them who I rocking with. You feel I is devil like all you? You feel I wicked like all you? Nasty towards people, saying when police come and all you obstructing, but the police and them is fake. They're taking money, they're taking clothes, and when we talking, they buy Gary Griffin in their back pocket, they say. They buy Gary Griffin, and some of you coming and talking about top cop, but he's a shit hung by. It is alleged, they keep telling me all about the people saying he's a bisexual man. Right? He's a bisexual man, they're saying. Miss Nicole, you call me up on TV, you know? You call me up to sing for Madame Kamala, you know? When it is alleged, when Gary Griffin goes on the road and Ian Allen, it is alleged. When people say he collect $250,000 bribe. You understand? To fight St. Joseph's seat, and you putting back them set a bulla man back in power? As a faggots running this country, as a lesbian and crook, only drinking rum and bulling hose? And smoking a weed and drinking rum, but all you're giving weed bad name by. All you're giving marijuana bad name. All you legalize 2 man bullying in the bottom. 2 prick. 1 man kissing a man and walking the road. Than to tell we legalize we weed for medication. Watch how much things Bob Marley do. Watch how much things Bob Marley do when he smoke weed. That's why the Venezuelan them getting jammed. All you go and get wood. I tell you that for interfering with my Trinidad people. I put Venezuela in the pot. I take the map of Venezuela and I put it in a patch of paper and I jam in Venezuela. All you go see what will happen to them. I jam in Venezuela a long time. Since Rowley went up there and dancing with the Venezuelan. You ever see me with a Spanish anyway? The reason why I give them a blind, because I was thinking about certain things. I was thinking about they putting people against each other with Mudura and this one. But let me tell you something. Now the Deuta's talking. All them Venezuelans is the same. All of them nasty. All of them want to come down here and take a man and then they go beat your face. They stink. They slitting people's throat all in America. And taking all the hair and doing so. We Trinidadian people and we taking that. It's good. It's good. It's good. Watch a woman. Watch woman cook for me. Watch. Hot food. I'm going to eat a piece of meat now. Because let me tell you something. I can eat and do what I want when I want. When I feel to pray or when I feel to fast, what I feel to do, I do. Right? Woman, thanks to the lady who cooked the food for me. Love you, darling.
She said she loved.
Right, she said she said she loved that. Look, I'm going to eat it here. You understand? People, when you're the king, boy. Yeah, bye-bye. My mouth too big, I don't give a damn about nobody. So tell me, now you're coming here, Bolari, love you still. But here how you talk, my mouth too big. So what you want me to do? Be a bola man? You want me to go and back PNM, talk hard or talk easy? Hey, how we are going? I am very decent and nice, shirt and tie. I'm with the PNM and I'm back at the UNC and I'm skinning your bottom and I'm taking a big wood. You're cutting drugs with deal, with the boat. All them boat and them coming along and drugs then. Drugs. It's drugs. I just passed in Princess Song and see $1 million place. $40 million the man pay for the place. The man admit the fact it's drugs money. When I tell the police them may go in. When I tell Gary Griffin go up in Moloney, when the boy get locked up yesterday, he get locked up again, he went and shoot and kill somebody. All the way too long to lock up the man, Gary. All the way too long. Big up to Baltimore. Big up to Baltimore. I love Baltimore. As my brother, I know Bulla Man. And the man they call Devin. I love them. We need to grow our own marijuana. Correct is right. Johanna is my brother. And he did be breaks over Trinidad loophole life. They want to kill me for a song. Baba Steve kidney gone and he logs gone when I went in the cemetery and Jamaica Obia. I put him down in a graveyard called Grape. Mr. Grape, lick where he longs him. By them can't touch this man by. Them Karen, Rina Valentine, they send the video with the Venezuelan chop out the man head, girl, and doing so. Them Trinidadian people, girl. What about the man up in Venezuela with the girl called man crying, where they say they want goods and they want money. But all you run them Venezuelan from Trinidad and Tobago by, run them by. Trinidad and Tobago, anyway, anyhow. All you see Venezuelan, get them out. I warn them all you know. Trinidad and Tobago, all you do say Wakaman, I warn all you know. I warn them good brothers and sisters. Let me give you the example now. When God tell Father Abraham, he's going and destroy Sodom and Gomorrah. You know what Father Abraham turned around and say? He said, God, how you could destroy that island with so many people in it? He tell Father Abraham, go. Oh, you're cooking for me soon, no problem. My kisses on them, it's blessing kisses. That way all you women love me. I don't disrespect them. I will know a woman want to give me it. And I'm turning around and say, this is my lady. You're not capable at what you're doing there. You're not doing it right. You're doing that under emotion. Get your ass in order and get your mind together and work it out and get your mind properly inclined if you want to come with me. The woman hug me up by. She says, true son. Do you understand? Most of them, they're doing it to Guyanese too. Now let me tell you something. I warn all you. When you see Rowley went in Venezuela, and Rowley cut all them deal. When Madame Kamala went in Venezuela, and Maduro and all kind of thing, and cut all them deal, where we was. Where Trinidadian say was. Trinidadian people who voting for Kamala and who dealing with them. It has certain ministers, they're taking $20 million from Kamala to win help you win election and go back up for she. Which one of the political party pay the most they taking? Rowley go pay 20 million to help him campaign and under law he doing it. If he is a UNC man and you come out of UNC under law, campaign for PNM and Rowley handling you. By that bullshit by and the poor people keep suffering who don't know about voting. If the country have 1 million people, 400,000 vote for UNC, 400,000 vote for PNM, 200,000 go and suffer. Where you seen Rumbo? I'm doing well, bro. I'm doing well on my own. And I'm minding my own self and I'm getting through. I don't want nothing from nobody. I'm proud. Wakaman work and minding himself. And who give me? Thanks. I have a PayPal account, I want $1 from everybody to help me do some recording for the artists them. Because I owe in the studio 500. I owe in the dancer them 2,500. When I collect the money, I go pay it out. And take $1,000 and make grocery for Charlie Children. And make 44 bucks of food and carry it in tongue. And then I'm going to give who I had to give. You feel like in games or? When I run this country, you feel like about $25,000? Where you will dead and leave? When your heart stop beating, 25,000 could make your heart beat a month extra? Could a month salary buy your life? Madam Kamala, all you go and dead soon. Rowley, you is 69 years. If you willing, if you reach 70, thank God. But all you too nasty, boy. Them Venezuela, them killing we out, and you bringing them in this country. That's why they're sinking in the beach and jamming them in the pot. Venezuela, all you gonna get more. All your country gonna get war. All you gonna suffer for the wickedness all you do be. Now, when Father Abraham went and he tell God, he said, Father Abraham said, God, if me get 100 people or 1,000 righteous people for you to spare the whole island, let me go and get 100 now. He said, well, go and if you get 100, I go spare everybody in Trinidad and Tobago or Sodom and Gomorrah. Father Abraham started studying because he's studying like me. He said, yeah, that's not God. If I go and I get 80, you will still forgive them. God said, yes, I will forgive them. Father Abraham break down and say, if he go and he get one righteous person, If you will save Solomon Gomorrah, God tell him yes. He could have never get none. Because when he tell Lot and his wife, run away and don't look back, they're looking back. They're watching their car. They're watching their money. Like I call a certain person on the phone. Why is the son was in the thing? And tell them what they call him right now. I watching something with his son. She call him. He'll tell me about car and land and thing and no more money. She had a thing with this. She busy over material thing and the world going and end. That what we going on with we stupid people. When the world ending and thing happening and bacchanal happening, people talking the world will end, but we will destroy it for we own self. The world is destroying itself, is we doing it. That's why God say he coming. Jesus Christ say he coming because the people losing faith. So he going to shorten the time for elect's sake. All sheep like one have been going astray. Mother Kali children losing hope. Mother Kali getting vexed. Are you looking for your mother and your sister? Them name attention. Sasha KSK? Right. I work for free and I don't beg nobody to watch me. A million things going on Facebook and you have time to watch me because you're a nasty person. PNN, UNC or a Venezuelan. Or drugs and coke in your back end. Or you're a buller man or a lesbian. Straight to the point. Or you're nasty mind and greedy. You want all the money for yourself. Come again. Come again. Waste of time. Don't talk about Gary Griffith. You cussing up the media, but you feel you ignorant. When I jam you with the song, you lock me up by that way God would you, that way you get sick, that way you bouncy man. I had to pay taxpayers, cack a whole money who on the Facebook here and questioning me, take the money to pay the man for where you bounce. Asshole! Spending we money, using we money, crime. Crime is the number one paid thing in Trinidad and Tobago. The number one expensive thing in the budget, and yet still it carry on. Gary Griffin, ain't you say, look this color watching you here, ain't you say that when you come, judge you by the murder toll? You is not Jesus Christ, boy. You is not God, you is not the boss, boy. You is not the boss, boy. God is the boss. That buller man called Punisher saying I singing about the boss. He is a buller man. He bullying. He's a faggot. The same Venezuelan say he cock cheesy. He stink. Spread the video for Punisher for me. The buller man. Nasty buller man. Stink buller man. That's why you ain't sure going on politician hiding. You can't be around nobody because you're a fraud. You and all of them is fraud. All of them fellas, all of them team up. Kill upon that man. Sick in jail. He take the rap for army. All them think it is alleged. You ain't talking about that. You ain't talking about that. When I come by here by Sharon's Auto and I tell Ian and Sharon keep my van and I crying. What they say? Where they turn around and say? He said by Sharon, I want to hear nobody. But that is your friend. That is your friend. You're back in the crook. Like Mr. Das. 25,000 that's only 2 old people them. He's a nasty man called Das. I will jam that teddy bear man. All up in the moss they running you. It's good. They run you from the moss. It's good. Caparo moss run you. I call him the name. Come around man. I know the imam from the. He's a loving man. And let me tell you something. The Muslim and them that taking the walk like the man who went up in Carapo, the mosque from Londonville, you send men up in Carapo mosque to lick down a next person to send a message, but your car was in the beatum when they killed the man called Kendall, and they put him in the back of your car, but them mosque and them is bullshit, boy. Like Ian Allen tried to put me against the Muslim, but not Islam, boy. Islam is a peaceful thing, boy. Not them nasty, stinking Muslim, them who calling people Kozar and Kodis, and when you're not a Muslim, them killing you. As you're not a Muslim and you believe in them faith, they all wills to kill you. But them is stink Muslim by. Them is nasty. All them hijab people, if them is a crook. Because when they come with the hijab, they could rob you. When they come with the hijab and they walk in the road, they could put big gun inside you and rob you. Because, let me tell you something, Muslims, and I jamming some all today. The Bible talk with the one with the wildest tear. So nasty woman, you know how to tell all the I mean it in that way. And the woman them who feel all they could cover up all their tots, cover up all their cat, and cover up all their eye. When the farmer went into the Bible and he went in and the farmer watched the cow, some of the cow watch so and they continue eating. Some of the cow just have to watch him and stare so. And some of the cow keep on doing what they're doing. The Bible talk about the one with the wildest tear. And as I watch the Muslim girl and I see she eye, I say there is a jamet. The man shake my hand. He say, how you know that by that girl really so? And so I say, by spirit by. Spirit by. Spirit by. Spirit by. They always guide me. And I come out to talk. That is the big mistake we make with Madam Kamala and Rowley. They went up in Venezuela and bring them rank as them who chopping out people's head. Let me tell you something. 3/4 Venezuelan, 3/4 Venezuelan, all of them is the same thing. The gods tell me that. I don't trust no flesh. One thing with me, I love everybody, but I trust no one. I only trust God. I only trust God. I don't trust flesh. You don't trust flesh. Flesh. They get tied up with cocaine. Flesh they get tied up with weed. Flesh they get tied up with money. Flesh they get tied up with gold. And flesh they get tied up with fame. Flesh weak towards them thing. The flesh weak towards woman. The flesh weak towards money. The flesh weak towards them thing. Good morning, bro. How are you? Hey, how you going, lover girl? Lisa, pretty girl from America. How you going, lover? When I jam them with the Obia song, how you going, sister? Love you, man. If you know I love that girl to bad from America, yeah? Sweet, nice girl. I love all women. All women. How to? Bring the hoes and I love them. But let me tell you something. I love to have sex with them, you know? I like Jesus Christ. I love his heart. I want his soul. I don't care. But let me tell you something today. You know how I overcome sex? Because all women have the same thing. It's black, wrong, brown, pink, whatever it is. It is called a vagina. But the Indian people them don't call it vagina. They call it a womb. A long time it had no word called vagina. That is why the Shiva Lingam represent the womb. It represent the womb. But when I was preaching about it, plenty people don't locked on. Plenty people don't locked on. Let me tell you something, Miss Ina. When the Bible talking about Moses, and talking what this one do, and Father Abraham do this, and this one do that, and that one bull this woman, and this one horn when the Bible talking about people business and about the past. Why you don't tell God don't talk about that? So God they like that too. Miss Ina, your mind for old lady, your mind too low, girl. That's why the man really saying that. All you out to only question me. You are out to watch me, you out to question God. You are out to learn nothing. I don't care about nothing about this life. I don't care about life and who are the killer. I don't give a damn. What I care about is the poor people in Trinidad and Tobago and God work. And you can't tell me God don't like that. Because let me teach you something to Miss Ina. When you see God, who? Miss Ina, don't run away. No? Who killed the people in the sea? Answer me, and if you can't answer me, you're a shit tongue. Who killed the I love you still. Who killed the people in the sea when God closed back the sea? Answer me that. People who locked on here and fight for Ina because she look like she knows she have enough knowledge. She have knowledge to question and not to answer. Answer for Ina and tell me who closed back the sea and kill Pharaoh people on them. Ascended spirit on earth is present to God in heaven, people. So when all of you look at upsend me on this earth, I going to be present with God away. Miss Ina run away. Baby, because you know why? They on bullshit. I still love she. But I don't beg for friend. And I just talk my mind. And when I on a mission here, that way Donkey Wood and all them friends of them love me. Because them know everything about me. They know all my secret. They know everything what I'm doing. All of them boys, them know it. And when they hear how Wakamanda's deal, they realize that this man is a real man, boy. Donkey Wood. People calling me and telling me, Ragu, take money from them a year, 20,000 and 40,000. And when we started jam him, he run away. So I want to dig up and go and find the people money and send them all the information for you. You saw everything coming out now? I never take nobody money for nothing. Only one man come called Neil Apple. Bulaman Neil Apple come at $500 each and give him $1,500 to come by me. And he buy things in the temple and he say the prayers didn't work. Me know who he want to kill and I don't know where he went to the gods for. I tell them go to the gods and talk to the gods on them. And offer this and ask them for what you want. So what he asked the God for, he get wood. I don't know the nasty. I don't know the stink. I don't know the next little boy who went by Baba Steve and paid $1,600 on a gold bira and come at me take a back his wife. When he come at me take a back his wife, what happened? When I put on the candle and you start to pray and you say she take your money and all kind of thing and you build the house. When I start to pray with the candle and you're going on the road, I call you back and say, hey, come back for your candle them. Come back for your candle them. He said, boy, I said, that is not your wife, boy. That's a man wife you with. He said, but you that zombie, how you know that? He said, he are coming back. I said, well, you're going to get wood with the spirit. He called me and told me, off the road, he run off the road. What about the lady who come by me to talk to she dead son? And I tell she, I didn't know yet. When they come, and I start to light up the candle goes pack, pack, pack. and she child dead in the boat. When me and Patrick Stock was talking about when they came down in the fish and throw him off and bury him down on any day. When they badge on them, when somebody want to kill you, if a badge on want to kill you, you know how sick and them try to come at me? By lying and saying things I inform on them. To get a way to kill. How you think they kill the man? They lie and tell the man how when they hold the boy, the boy was bullying his wife. And the man didn't like that. The man gone and take a can, stick it on the man and tell everybody this boy thief and kill the boy. Now I'm spreading the message on Facebook here. Them fellas from Claxon Bay, the Bajons and them, the Bullaman Bajons them who do that. The boy that went missing. Right? And when the family come in and talk to the child, when the mother going on the road, she says, she believe me, the boy living. I said, well, to hell with you. When she going on the road, a stone hit the windscreen and crack it, butt up, and they run off the road. Right? Girl who will be locked on here. Where she named Karishma. Pretty girl Karishma. You believe in me, lover. You believe in me. Not me, the gods them. Die by today, get through. The next woman with Ian Allen with the girl burn up herself and put the tire and Ian Allen find she. I offer she water Dave Singh. Dave Singh, you come by me. I take water and offer it for that mother grieving, and she will cry till she dead. I know they go try to set me up. Let me tell you something. You see America? The man who talking last night, he called all the people in America. He called all the assassination fellas in America and pour up my name. And anytime anything wrong with me, I sacrifice my life for Trinidad and Tobago. I go, how war in Trinidad? All the big men I'm going to drop down. I call all in America, I call everybody. I call them and tell them what UNC and PNM doing. I tell everything to Trump. I tell everything to the Americans and them. I tell out everything to them. The man say you have it in a paper. And let them play they coming around me. But I think I tell them it have four people down here. It have 4 people, it is alleged. I get a voice note. They're down in Trinidad and Tobago waiting to assassinate anybody. I ask them how them, the people in them, they're just tripping off and they decide to do certain things. So Trinidad and Tobago spread the video for me and let them know that I am real and I am not no shit. And I see the Venezuelan them, you see what they're doing me, and they keep talking to all about it and believe in me. So let me tell you something, too late shall be the cry. And I had to be Canada. I asked all before that woman come and question me and say how God. Let me tell her something. When I question she where she gone. Miss Ina, you're still locked on there. What happened to you? Answer my love girl, I love you. That is how we just talk, sister. Don't get no harass. We in a meeting. Everybody should be able to talk their mind without getting vexed. So think what I'm telling you. When the Bible give back all them history, with this one horn, this one and King David, which part in the Bible, which part in the nasty Bible have where Bathsheba, where King David take Bathsheba man. How God could allow a man when I jam the Muslim, when I jam the Jehovah's Witness and that they say nothing. King David went and kill him man and take his wife and bullet. And when he make the first Chinese dead. Nah, I don't want to have any woman too. You respect her, yeah? You respect her, I love you. You keep all the Venezuelan woman. I don't want them freaking, I love all women. I love them. But them working for the devil, boy. Most of them working for the devil. Any one of them, hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, brother. Pussy could bring down palace and building. Why you think I don't call them hoe for? I don't call nobody hoe. But they work in a way like Esther. Esther work for good. The Bible don't teach that. The Bulla man, Christian men and stupid lesbian woman them. The Christian them don't preach about that. No sugarcoating. Esther, she cat. She saved Jesus Christ timing. She saved the Jews with the king. But the Bible don't have that. Where is the 75 books? That's why all are so stupid and all you go remain like caca hole. All you go remain down here and Rowley and Kamala fool all here and how all are living in a dreamland. How all are living in a dreamland. Yin and yang. All you go and learn that by. All you stop making the devil exist. The devil only exists in all your mind by. The devil and good and bad only exist in we mind by. Is we the biggest devils by. Out here physical by. That is different with we. God give you free will. We have a physical body. This is the physical world. In heaven, spiritual. Earth is a reflection of heaven. The moon is a reflection of the sun. Good is a reflection of bad. But the nasty people and them, they getting dotish. They want people to come out here. Like somebody tell them, man, don't talk so loud. Hey, how you going? I am nice. Hee. And Bulla man thing. That's all they want. All they want me to be like a Bulla man. But they dare turn Bulla man in the UNC timing. Today I will have a post. Today I will be like Ahmed Suknanan and Crabman. Being counselor. I'm not for that, boy. When I tell Madam Kamala invest corruption, she didn't do it. When I tell she invest corruption, Munilal, that $2,000 bag not trace can't fool me. That HEC house can't fool me. I had to pay for it. I do bong for your friend. You hear what to do? You are deleting me, Miss Ina. Look, I going to delete you here. Look, I going to delete you here and I block you. Watch. Right? Look, I block you before you say you're going to delete me. I don't need you. Look, I block Miss Ina. I don't care about illiterate and stupid. You that old fool. That way you is. But every time I'm on my Facebook, you will come and text and you go be nice, but you keep texting all the time and thing. So the same way Gary could get vexed and talk, is the same way I get vexed too. I must get vexed when all this stupid so, you go unfriend me, but I block you already, girl. Lord Chief, I don't beg nobody, girl. You have to come to see me. You need to know something, because you go be an old fool. That's why they say, the old sheep like one going astray. You don't go astray already. You don't go astray and back in all them caca holes and them, and pasta coffee and them temples and them nasty temples and them. Trinidad and Tobago, I put Venezuela in the pot. When the Delta's talking, they're cutting off man's head. Trinidadian man, I have the phone call where they guts my friend. The man gets so mad, the man can't talk. For what? For food, for chicken, for grocery. But all of them Venezuelan them coming to kill me for the food. They will flood Trinidad and Tobago. And Rowley and Kamala cut all the deal in Venezuela for them. All of them. And the person can't fool me because me what a sour cat. Me what a lime ranking thing. I don't want. Due respect to the woman, I want none. I want one woman. And one woman, just like Eve, one woman will accomplish everything you want. 5 and 6 and 7 women don't make you, man. Where you going to make you? Let me teach you something here today, Trinidad and Tobago. And locked on and share this video. When King David, when Nathan, you see when the human being body running down sins, running down rum, running down drugs, running down woman, it have a time the body just reject it. Because the time when King David was getting old and he gets sick, Nathan realized the king was going on dead. But here we know the king going dead. Because they bring the finest virgin for King David. King David likes a bull woman, he and his father. That's why King David fall with woman. Samson fall with woman. Delilah. Where is Hulk weakness? Betty. So when King David, when they bring the finest virgin for him, the Bible so stupid, the Bible didn't say he prick couldn't get hard. The Bible say it couldn't get warm, and he know her not. When the Bible state, in the time with Mary and Joseph, when they go back and watch it, they flood in Guyana, and jamming them up in Guyana too. I keep telling all of that by the weather coming, it flood, pestilence, earthquake, I telling all of the rapture start. And only I know the trick. I know where God wants. Just like how he wanted the blood of the lamb on the house, I know where he wants. I know what God save you. When all of us get heart attack and death and sickness and start to get fits and things, all of us want to come at me for the remedy, it will be too late. Too late. I know who is my friends here. I know who is my friends here. When you see the body reject that, King David get the finest virgin and he prick couldn't get satisfied. The Bible say he couldn't get warm. He prick couldn't stand up and he know her not. Like when Nathan know the king gone dead. So all who feel, all running down money, running down woman, running down house, running down everything, all that, the body going to reject it at a certain time. Trinidad and Tobago. And that's what I come here to preach today and to show all you I'm not in them bullshit. Next one talking about TV. When they shoot up my place in 500 where he was. When I jam him the song Bolagari. Oh Bolagari, oh Bolagari, oh Bolagari, take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I go jam you with Obia, oh Bolagari. Happy hour over, you have some days to go. I trust in God. I want the world to know that people only talking and it make me understand. When Ian come and tell me you is a bisexual man, oh Bolagari, take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I go jam you with Obia. They legalize gay in Trinidad, and Ian is ranking #1 Bulla man. The #1 Bulla man, the #1 Bulla man. Ian is the man, I tell you, Ian is the man. Is the true they can't take from the Waka, which sure runs auto. You was driving the Range Rover, 25,000 from Mr. Das, and the old lady them crying, and you're backing up that ass. $1 million some hand on our business place. Bob from Arang, where's Shiva brother, when he kill the retarded boy. Where is the footage? Where is the footage? Where is the footage? Where is Gary Griffin? When I was with Madam Kamla, she acted a 10-year resignation for tampering with court. And they put you as a commissioner in Trinidad and Tobago. Boy, hey. Fake. Trinidad and Tobago is a fake. Spread the video. Come for me. You know what I'm bad for? I have something for you. I have something waiting for the police. I have something for you. I have something. Not no ranking thing in a board. All you can drop them and dead. Like all the army man them running up the road and dead. All the police, all the regiment, going and get wood. I don't want nobody, and nobody don't bounce to watch me. I spread in my vision. When I tell you about the dream, man and even woman, pull it back again, boy. Derek Nuts, I talk where I want and do where I want. I is the boss here. None of all is the boss here. God is the boss, and God give me the authorization. Shogunas police station when they brutalize me, the Waka man. I'm talking about the chemical crew. And not forget I don't see head one boo boo. Being in the force, I had no shame. The man asked me how to spell a 3-letter name. Corruption. In the police station, they brutalizing man and even woman. It's bribery and police brutality. Mr. Commissioner, please do something. Kerry Rich and jamming them. Mr. Commissioner, please do something. Right? They're nasty and they want to kill people for songs. Let me tell you something, people. I'm not in that enough. I'm waiting for. But I get through, boy. All you're too nasty, boy. My place shoot up. And you go in and paying people and Muslim and thing. Right? I'm going to bust no boy song here. This my studio record this song. This my studios there. Yeah, Shabba, he coming to release on my program soon. Tomorrow on the radio, in a way.
Father, tell me what one people are dying in a Trinity Island. Father, tell me what one people have been suffering at the region of the town. Father, tell me what one son no pick up and no pick up no gun. Father, tell me what one me no like it, but me I stay strong. Young still me I work to achieve my dreams. What the money stack till it to the ceiling. Man try to take him now, him skin fi peel him. Me pray every night so me heart stay clean. No youth never reach him, just 10-18. Police lick him down with a new 19. The place one ready in the community. Shabbat
all the pause raising by
unity. Get the youth, see a strong and go. Get the youth, see a strong and go. Father, tell me what one people are.
I hope you don't do it. Trinidad and Tobago, this is Wakaman here. I want to make pie for me, chicken and red bean and rice. I'm going to eat all the meat today. The gods and them don't know.
And the poor people just keep suffering. Politician, are we going mad?
Look how the thief in out Trinidad.
Politician, are we going mad? Look how the thief in out Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting.
And the government talk about winning.
Politician,
I have a new song coming out again.
look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money.
All the police and them go and dead one by one. They're going to run off the road and things. Yeah, boy.
I miss a fake oil, race, kidnapping, murder. Get out the face, no roads, no water. The golf course grooming, but the pitch lake missing. 1% media pushing an agenda. Failed state company paying you salary. Gas going up when will the hardship stop? Rich in birth, laughing at we. No riot yet. Yes, we should be the biggest budget in history. But they saying that the treasury empty. Who thief receive more from all our we, the PNM or the UMC. Take the faith and time will tell. No more racial voting, let them burn in hell. Things matter, look how they destroying Trinidad. Politicians are we going mad. Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Tax people money are we wasting, and the government talk about winning. Thank God very much. It's my anthem. I mean, new song come out. Moving on. Hey. Yeah, right. Live sports gone with all we money. No one get charged. Minister too busy. If they're not romping, you know they roaming. Female reporter, you know they buying. Hard working PNM minister playing with himself on camera. That is why no work can't be done. Where is the heritage children's life fund? Kamla bill, low income house, $1 million each, what a loss. New road bill, mash up already. Cost to contracts to friends and family. The system was designed by thieves in parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. No one get charged, no matter how they steal. Divide us by race, that is the deal. Things matter. Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Spread the video. All my paws raising. Look how they destroy. Sacrifice the life. I give my soul to God. So I will jam them. Politician now we going mad. Last verse and I God now. Share the video, people. Press share for God. Liquor 2, Jumbie, Richmond Ferry, Sandal, scandal, corruption, secrecy. Maxi get taxpayers' money. Foreign health bill you see. Now tell me, Mr. Rowley, what about the poor in the country? Tourism dead, housing failure, healthcare don't care, education disaster. Agriculture minister planting nothing. Culture ministry discriminating. National insecurity. Justice system killing we. 1% benefit from criminality. Kamla Keat, same party. Every ministry is a joke in the country. When will you open up your eyes and see? Things matter. Look how they say now. Bye. Trinidad and Tobago, this is the voice of Wakaman is here. And spread the video. Let them come to kill me. Anything wrong to me, I tell them something. They will run and mock in Trinidad and Tobago. You don't know. Spread the video. Politician now we going mad. Look how they do it. Right. Trinidad and Tobago and the wolf. Say yes, my people, this is Wakaman. I go now. And it's a true story. And you see, love is conquer the devil. And love is God. So you ever heard us sing? Bam, 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 I love to sing for you. I love to sing for you. You say you're leaving and you're moving on, yeah. You say you don't need me and you don't want me anymore. All I cry for 3 years. You say you're leaving. All you crying now. And you're moving on, yeah. All you crying now when all you hear. You say you don't need me. But I cry for 3 years when I write it. And they rob me. Baby girl, you know it's over. Always on my heart. And then see the boy by Rishi Garden. I come and to check your brother. I now realize it's you online there. I cried for 3 years when I write the song. And me and the ex-wife, we best of friends now. My daughter, God, never wanted. I prove it to Nadia Helvin. You call me lover. I prove it to Yogesh Beer. And I prove it to everybody, boy. You don't want me anymore. I do over my song too. You say you're leaving me. Thank you, bro. Baltimore, thanks to you for the little change you sent for me. The little money. God bless you. You and Devin. I know I should hate you for what you put me through. But how can I hate you when I'm still in love with you? Love is the way in life we must play. And if you're not in, you'll just cannot win. You say that the next man go make you happy. So how the hell me and you could ever be? Oh gosh, you make me forget my daughter. And God bless me and I could never regret her. You say you're leaving and you're moving on.
a book, man. I don't believe in book. I believe in a God above. Man write book, man write Bible. Only caca holes go believe in book. I get it straight from heaven and I crack it all like Dr. Sebi. And I crack it all like them fellas them. See the rapping now, people. Unspoken. I bring in all the artists them. I bring in all the artists them. I bring in all the artists them. Yeah, she hurt me. Yeah.
I can have any girl in the world, but I choose you. Baby girl, I didn't want to lose.
Rock Bulletin.
Shit couldn't buy my soul. The story you told me and you was supposed to get old. Now you sold me out. Broke my heart, man, that shouldn't part, man, that shouldn't part. Baby girl, our love was art. All this shattered glass on the floor. Girl, I can't.
All I don't know is back man here. Spread the video, Rock Bulletin. Thousands of viewers, millions of viewers. And I'm jamming them in the blood of Jesus Christ. All I don't know. Go up on YouTube and release it.
That's you.
Young singer Unspoken, we on TV.
Unspoken and I got it too.
Yeah,
Big up to boy Waka man. You don't know we just do things.
Right, you don't know. Bye bye all. Love all. Right, all the ladies there. Bye bye.